Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, tell me, what are you doing now? Did you complete your homework? Whatever homework I gave you, do you submit it to me? I haven't seen so many students giving. Only 4 to 5 students give their homework daily. Where are the other students? Okay, so today I'm going to teach you on the picture words topic in the bathroom, which is on your page number 14. So tell me, students, what can you see in your bathroom? Go, go fast and see what is in your bathroom. What can you see? And tell me one by one. Okay, you can see shower. Very good. Tap. Excellent. Bucket. Oh, good. And soap. Good. Okay. So today I am going to show you some things which we see in the bathroom. Okay. So let's start. Wash basin. We wash our hands in the wash basin. Okay, before eating, after eating, or after coming from outside, we wash our hands in wash basin. So repeat with me: WASHBASIN, wash basin. Soap and case, or we say tray. When we take bath, we use soap, right? And we keep soap in the case, or we say tray. So repeat with me: soap and case. SOAP, soap, and case, CASE, or tray, TRAY. Nail cutter. Whenever our nails grow, we cut it with the nail cutter. You should not make them grow. Okay? You should cut it time to time. Okay? So repeat with me: nail cutter. NAIL, nail cutter. CUTTER, nail cutter. Toilet. In every home we see toilet, right? So repeat with me: toilet. TOILET, toilet. Geyser. What is geyser, students? Tell me. In every homes you can see geyser, right? Geyser is a machine that, or is a heater that makes our water hot. We take a bath every day in the morning, right? So we take bath with the hot water. So the geyser makes the water hot. So repeat with me: GEYSER, geyser. Perfume. I know you all love perfumes because it smells very beautifully, right? So, do you have perfume in your homes? We go outside, we spray on us perfume. So, repeat with me: PERFUME, perfume. Towel. So tell me, do you take towel with you to bath, right? So whenever we take a bath, we clean ourselves with the towel. So repeat with me: TOWEL, towel. Shower. We take bath with the shower, or we take bath with the bucket and mug. So repeat with me: shower, shower, shower. Hairbrush and comb. We comb our hair, right? To look good, to look pretty. So this is hairbrush and comb. HAIRBRUSH, hairbrush and comb. COMB. Earbuds. We clean our ears with the earbuds, and you should clean it every day. Okay? So earbuds. EARBUDS, earbuds. So here bucket and jug or mug. We take bath even with the mug. Okay? So repeat with me: bucket, 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 and jug, JUG, or we can say mug, MUG. Mirror. We look ourselves in the mirror to see how we are looking, right? Do you have mirrors? Okay. So repeat with me: mirror, MIRROR, mirror. We wash our hairs with the shampoo, right? Your mummy or your papa, everyone washes with their hairs with the shampoo, right? So repeat with me: shampoo, SHAMPOO, shampoo. This is the toilet paper. Repeat with me: toilet paper, TOILET PAPER, toilet paper. We use it in the toilet. Toothpaste. We brush our teeth with the toothbrush, right? But we take even toothpaste and put it on the toothbrush and brush our teeth. You should brush your teeth daily in the morning and before sleeping to protect your teeth from the cavity. Toothpaste, TOOTHPASTE, toothpaste. See, this is toothbrush. TOOTHBRUSH, toothbrush. We brush our teeth with toothbrush. Shaving kit. Your father might have shaving kit, right? To make his beard. So, shaving kit, SHAVING, kit, KIT, shaving kit. Cream. After we bath, we put cream on our body, moisturizer cream, right? So this is cream, CREAM, cream. Hanging hooks. Whenever we go to bathroom to have a bath, we hang our clothes on the hanging hooks. Okay? So repeat with me: HANGING, hanging hooks, HOOKS, hanging hooks, to hang our clothes. So detergents. Your mummy take detergents to clean the floor, right? Or to clean the bathroom or the toilet. So Repeat with me. Detergents. 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 Tap. We on the tap for the water to fill the bucket, right? So everyone has tap in their bathrooms. So repeat with me. Tap. T-A-P. Tap. So this were the things which we see in the bathroom. Okay? So I hope you understood it. If you have any doubts, you can mail me anytime, and please students, do not forget to comment your name in the comment box for your attendance, and please complete your homework every day time to time. Thank you.